Yo, what's up everybody? So today what we're going to be doing is a grill replacement. I went ahead and picked up this bighorn grill right here, all black. Looks dope. Got the letters. Let me show you how these go in. They got the two little holes. You just match them up there, sink it on in like that, and come on in through the back. You go ahead and you tighten them up. They sent these little screws here. What I did put was these washers. See, these are like washers that you would put like for your sink or on a faucet or something like that. But the way I've used them, I put them on the back to give it a little bit of cushion so it doesn't just sink right on through. Let me show you really quick. Pull this one off here. They did send me these other hardwares here, these nuts, screws, bolts there, these little plastic rivets. Not too sure what these metal ones are. So far, the only thing that's been useful is those little tiny screws there. Let me show you what I'm talking about back here. Let's see. Put those on there like that. So far, so good. I think those are gonna be pretty sturdy. So, next step here is for me to go ahead and take, I think we have 6 screws here. Let me show you on this side. I've started doing them. So we have 1, 2, 3, the other 3 on this other side, and then up on top here you have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let me go ahead and get these loose. Should be pretty simple. The hardware seems to stay behind here, you know, the metal bracket there. So, and I already got the screws right here that are coming out. So hopefully, yeah, let me just unscrew these and I should be able to reattach the other one. All right, y'all, so I went ahead, got those screws out. There was actually 2 more on the top. There was like another hidden one right here and the same on the other side. But now I'm trying to pull off the grill and so it's coming, but it's got like some 3M or I don't know what this is right here. So I'm trying to come back in here and get this all out. So I'm gonna go around the front here, try to bust this little trim piece out. Cause look at, even on this side, it's like you wants to come out, well, it's like glued on. So let me fiddle around with it for a little bit here. And it's coming out, and you just kind of gotta work your way through it. It's kind of like trying to cut through butter or something. Look at this. Hey, check it out. So looks like I busted on through, and this is about to just slide right on out, just like that. It has the little guide clips right there. It's got that little notch right there. What I need to see is if I could take off these screws. I need to try to reattach these screws onto the new grill. All right, everybody. So on further inspection, you're gonna need these. These are little clips that are at the bottom of this grill. Just get yourself flathead, pry them suckers out. I figured it out. Excuse the shaker here. The wing looks really dirty. So upon further inspection, if you get yourself a couple of needle nose pliers here and those flatheads, you could grab one side, hold this, and they'll twist off. And actually that fits way better. As you can see, look at it. I'm gonna have to probably use those needle nose just to tighten it all the way in. That way it sinks in, so the thread's much thicker and works a lot better. Hey everybody, all right, so we got those nuts on there. I aligned it and then it's going back, but I'm wondering, like, why is it protruding out from the bottom like that, you know? So, you know what I'm noticing back here is that there's no room for this bar. You see, that's what it's hitting. It's hitting a bar there, and it's hitting also down over here on this bottom side. These black bars. So that's a bummer. All right, everyone. So I don't know no other way how to do this without one of these little rotary Dremel tool things. I'm gonna try to go ahead and kind of cut in here, so you could see. I made the lines here and there and what I need to cut. That's on both ends. And I really hope this works. If not, I guess it's a nice little experiment. All right, everybody. So I already got, as you can see, like these little white hash marks where I've already been shaving into it. About to mock it up, see how much more I need to shave. Shaved off on the sides here, on both sides. Man, this is kind of like a pain in the butt. You expect to like buy something and just, you know, I understand maybe like the clips and even these screws right here, but man, to think that either one, I have to return it, not have this kick-ass fucking grill, or two, I have to modify it myself and make it fit. I don't know, regardless, it's gonna take a little bit longer than I expected, but I want the look, so I'm gonna make it happen. All right, everybody, so, man, we're making progress here. So I got the front flush. I'm able to put that in. Now, let me see if I can manage to do this without dropping the phone. But if you can see, those bars are the only thing that are still blocking it. I just need to shave those back just a little bit. And that's just for the outer nut right there. I already tried these other two right here that are closer. Those will already go in. Man, I had to really get in there. See that metal pole that goes back through there? Yeah, we really had to adjust it. It's super hot. The sun's beaming down on me. You can see I got the long sleeve on, gloves, little fisherman cap. All right, everybody, so check it on out. We're back in. Got all the nuts back on there. We were able to get all the 6 back on. So here's the bottom, see? This, I still wasn't able to grind back far enough to get a screw to connect. I do, however, think that I will be able to get this one, for sure, this one, and this one. So I'll have 4 in there. See, that's gonna go. These last ones over here, shit, it's tough. I mean, having that middle rod there, it's tough, but check it out. Oh, that's the shaker. Check this out. Yeah, baby, you got the big boy ram on there. Looks dope. So I need to shower, you know, definitely after all the times I've been grabbing it and everything, but again, I mean, the sun's just killer right now. I mean, it's just brutal. Luckily, I had a day off, but yeah, I'm ready to call this a wrap. I mean, I stopped midday, went, got some lunch, hit the gym, came back, and now it's afternoon, about to be evening time, and man, I've done had it. I was at this all morning, but I love it. It's worth it. Definitely changes up the way the car looks. Check out that stance now on it. Looks mean. Sheesh. Cool, man. Well, I'm glad I'm able to get that in. I'm super stoked that happened. Thank you all for watching the video. Sure do appreciate it. Stay tuned for the next one. Got a lot of great stuff still coming. Have a good day.